CoConstruct versus CoConstruct Builder software, a comparison of features. If you're torn between these two project management tools, you're in the right place. I've spent some time testing both of these software options, and I'll walk you through their pros, cons, and which one might be the best for your needs. Stick around, because at the end, I'll reveal a solid alternative that could give you more bang for your buck. First off, let's talk about CoConstruct. It's a popular choice among custom builders, remodelers, and contractors. One of its strongest features is its project management capabilities. You can track every detail of your project, from estimates to client communication. You'll also appreciate how it integrates with accounting software like QuickBooks, making it easy to keep everything in one place. Next thing, CoConstruct's client portal is worth mentioning. It allows clients to view progress, make selections, and communicate with the team. This transparency is one of the reasons many users love it. However, the portal can be a bit tricky to set up and doesn't offer the most intuitive user interface. The learning curve is there, especially for teams that aren't as tech-savvy. Moving on, let's discuss CoConstruct Builder software. It's also geared towards custom home builders and remodelers, but it offers a more streamlined approach to project management. You can create detailed budgets, manage schedules, and handle change orders all in one place. But here's the catch: while it offers great functionality, some users report that the platform can feel a little too rigid. The software doesn't give you as much flexibility when customizing workflows, which could be a deal breaker for larger companies with more complex needs. Next, CoConstruct Builder software shines in its mobile functionality. You can easily update projects on the go, and it syncs real-time, so you're never out of the loop. It's great for on-site management. That being said, some people find the app crashes more often than they'd like, which could be frustrating when you're trying to make quick updates. Another thing to consider is cost. Both CoConstruct and CoConstruct Builder software are priced on the higher end. CoConstruct starts at around $299 per month, while CoConstruct Builder software tends to offer a slightly better entry-level pricing, but it still can't be considered cheap. These subscriptions might make smaller businesses hesitate, especially considering the learning curve involved in both systems. The fourth thing to look at is integration. CoConstruct has more third-party integrations, which could be a lifesaver if you're using specialized tools for accounting, CRM, or other functions. CoConstruct Builder software, on the other hand, offers fewer integrations, which can be a limiting factor if you're looking for seamless connections across your existing tech stack. Lastly, both of these software options are solid but have their downsides. If you want a fully functional tool for custom home building, these options can work for you, but they're not perfect. They both have areas where they fall short, especially in customization and flexibility. I've used both, and while they're good at what they do, they're far from flawless. Now, if you want a better alternative that addresses these issues without the downsides of CoConstruct or CoConstruct Builder software, I've got a solution for you. After testing all of them, I'd recommend checking out the free trial through the first link in the description. You'll get the best deal with exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. It might just be the right fit for you. That's it for this comparison. Whether you choose CoConstruct, CoConstruct Builder software, or something else, make sure it aligns with your goals and gives you the flexibility you need to manage your projects efficiently.